Today, take a look at the VEVOR Adirondack chairs. So we got our instructions and we got our hardware. So this is a 2-set. We're going to have a total of 2 Adirondack chairs with this. And it looks like it comes mostly assembled. So all these crossboards are already screwed in. Looks like we're just going to have to basically take the parts that they have and bolt them together. These are in fact plastic resin. These are not wood. So these are going to be very good for standing up to the elements. And we can also see it is very thick, super heavy duty construction. So here's our back. I believe this is a leg. We actually have a cup holder with this model. You don't need to have that desk next to your chair. It's actually going to be built into the chair. We got our other leg. This is labeled C, so it's going to be very easy to identify which parts need to go where. There we got another B. There you go. And here is our arm. And then we got our same components for our second chair. So we do have 2 sets of hardware, 1 set for each chair, and they do each come with their own tools. Those are 4mm, so you could use the Allen or you could just use a power tool like I'm going to do. So first we're going to attach a leg to the base. We're going to use our 60mm bolts, nut, and washer. Now you don't want to make this too stiff because this does need to be able to swivel. One nice thing about it is that these are actually nylon lock nuts, so you don't have to worry about those things coming off either. Then we're going to take our leg support. I was going to attach right here. This is H, and this is going to use the 40mm screws. Then we're going to take our right arm, that is D. We're going to attach our drink holder, and that is going to use the 30mm screw. Very cool. I like that we can tuck that guy away too. Then we're going to take the same 40mm bolt, and we're going to use that to attach our arm. And this is a 10mm for those nuts. And we'll do the same thing with E. And now we can attach the back, and for that we're going to use an 80mm bolt. Now we're going to attach part I. We're going to use our 50mm bolt, and we're going to use our screw to attach that to the back. Then G is going to be our cross support for the legs. That's also going to attach with a screw. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And that is our chair. One of the cooler things about it is we can actually fold this guy up. And although folding chairs are nothing new, having one that is this nice is kind of a big deal. That's nice. So now I got a duplicate of these parts, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing again. And there we go. Those are the 2 new chairs. If you take a look, you can see I got a lot of them. They're in that gray. They do match up. The reason I like the gray is because those things have been sitting out for a long time. They got water spots and stuff all over, but you can't even really tell. So I always prefer the gray over the black. But yeah, those are some pretty sweet chairs.